How's it going? So if you come take a look here, this is American Modern bonded rubber mulch. Unfortunately, the Kessler residents, they got flooded. You take a look, you can see all the water was all the way back through there, and it was actually all the way back up into the house. It was up into the basement, even into the family room. Worst flood we've had in, what do you think, Mom, 30, 40 years?
Yeah, like 30.
Easily. So anyways, we did bonded rubber mulch 3-4 years ago. It was the first installation we ever did. And you know, it's been kind of a test run since. Now all the homes we do completely beautified, it looks awesome. But a lot of people ask me as far as like, how long is it gonna last? Does it withstand pressure washing, like weather, things like that? So this was a good example. As you can see, this one's nice and clean. I've already power washed this one. It's back to the original brown. Get a little bit closer so you can see. And then this section over here, this is what everything looked like before. As you can see, it's kind of got the nasty mud that's all over everything, the bushes, everything. So the water in here was literally about this high, maybe even higher. Yeah, probably up to here. So the water was sitting here for several days. None of the mulch moved. Great product. But let me go ahead, I'll fire this up one more time. You guys can see how close we can actually get right next to the mulch there. Oh, there we go. So it's all dirty. Nothing moves. Great product. Should have it at every home. Have a good day.